Okay, so let's start with a question. Let's say there are some people, let's say there are 100 people who use a newspaper T. There are 70 people who use the newspaper H, and there are 50 people who use the newspaper I. Usually the newspapers are Times of India, Hindustan Times and Indian Express, but let's not do that. So some 3 different newspapers, T, H and I. T is 100 people are reading that, H को 70 और I को 50. T and H both are read by 40 people, H and I both by 30, and I and T both by 20. And T, H, I, all 3 are read by 10 people. A big complex system. कि भाई 100 people read newspaper T, 40 people read T and H both, and 10 people read T, H and I, all these 3. सारे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं. तो it is something like A, B and C. So let me replace them by A, B and C. This would be AB, BC and CA, and this would be ABC. That is the whole idea. Now we need some information, and all those information can be obtained by a simple Venn diagram. तो Venn diagram का if I say, so there will be 3 different cases. This is A, B, C. We know that the first thing we do is we fill this part, and this part is known as A intersection B intersection C, all 3, and that is only 10 people are there. Now think about ये portion में क्या आएगा, because these are the second number in order. This is that part where B and C both are read. B और C दोनों पढ़े जाते, वो ये पूरा पोर्शन हुआ. B और C दोनों पढ़े जाने वाले. There are 30 people who read both B and C. तो there should be 30, but 10 already there हैं. So only 20 are there. देख लो, A, B, C तीनों रीड पे करने वाले 10 हैं, जबकि B and C रीड करने वाले 30 लोग हैं. Yes, B और C रीड करने वाले 30 people. This portion A and B वाले टोटल 40 हैं, उसमें से 10 ऑलरेडी आ गया, तो बचे 30. A और C वाले there are 20 people, this portion is 20, 10 ऑलरेडी है, तो this will be 10. Now this portion A में टोटल 100 होने चाहिए, there are 50, तो बाकी के 50 यहाँ आ गए. B में टोटल 70 होने चाहिए, ये 60 ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं, तो 10 और हुए. C में टोटल 50 होने चाहिए, 40 ऑलरेडी हो गया है, तो 10 चाहिए. ये फिल करना आपको बार बार देखना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा. एक बार ये समझ में आ गया तो काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. सो रिवाइंड द वीडियो एंड वॉच दिस होल थिंग अगेन, और बेटर हाइड दिस एंड ट्राई टू डू इट ऑन योर ओन. एक बार खुद से कर पाओगे, बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. नाउ आई नीड टू नो कि टोटल हाउ मेनी पीपल आर देयर. If I assume कि there is nobody who read no newspaper, मतलब everybody reads a newspaper. So total how many people are there? In this chapter we call them E union B union C. E union B union C in this case is 50 plus 30, 80, 90, 100, 110, 130, 150, 140 शायद. 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 140 people are there. देखने में तो क्या लग रहा है 220. No, 220 नहीं है. There are only 140 people. Now if I tell you कि there are total 200 people, तो बाकी के 60 कहाँ गए? तो बाकी के 60 हो जाएंगे उस यूनिवर्स में, और 140 ये हो चुका है, तो बाकी के 60 यहाँ आ गए. एंड दीज आर दोज गाइज हु डोंट रीड एनी न्यूज़पेपर. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. मैंने बोला था एवरीबडी रीड्स अ न्यूज़पेपर, देन देयर वुड बी ओनली 140 पीपल. But now I said कि there are total 200 people in the group. So अगर 140 न्यूज़पेपर रीड करते हैं तो बाकी के बचे 60 who do not read any newspaper. So the first question is how many don't read newspaper, and that will be 60. फॉर्मूला वाइज अगर मैं करूं तो आई कैन से कि दिस इज ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी का डैश, ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी का डैश मतलब उसके बाहर, तो इसके बाहर क्या है 60. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि हाउ मेनी रीड ए बट नॉट बी. हाउ मेनी पीपल रीड न्यूज़पेपर ए बट नॉट बी. ए रीड करते हैं लेकिन बी रीड नहीं करते. Think of it. Very simple and very good concept using the diagram only. You'll be able to find so many questions by just looking at this. So how many people read newspaper A but not B? A वालों की बात करेंगे तो these people are in reading A. Total कितने हैं? Total 100. 50, 30, 10, 10. But they do not read B, तो B वाले हटा दो. If I hide B also, how many we have? We have 50 plus 10, that is 60. People who read A but not B. Who read A but not B, and that will be this. इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We write it as A minus B. A but not B. Third, how many people read A, read B but do not read C? ए भी पढ़ते हैं, बी भी पढ़ते हैं, बट नॉट सी. थिंक ऑफ इट. ए एंड बी मतलब बोथ, मतलब ये कॉमन पोर्शन इन ए एंड बी, दैट इज 40. बट नॉट सी, उसमें सी का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ये 10 है, ये हटा दिया तो बचा क्या 30. हाउ डू आई राइट इट? आई राइट इट एज ए एंड बी बोथ मतलब ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, लेकिन नॉट सी मतलब माइनस सी. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी माइनस सी. Then I can ask you कि how many of read A but not B, not C? They read A but not B, not C मतलब only A. Only A वाले कितने? Simple 50. This is simple 50. How many of them read only one newspaper? How many of them read only one newspaper? And that will be 50 and 10 and 10, that is 70. How many of them read exactly two newspapers? Exactly two newspaper वाले अगर यहाँ से देखोगे तो 40, 30, 20 and that comes out to be 90, but not correct. Exactly two मतलब this, this and this. And that is only 60 people are there who read exactly two newspaper. So there are so many data that we can find using one single diagram. So you are not supposed to find all the formulae, but a single this will do. But formula तो पता होना चाहिए. तो let me tell you कि what is the formula look like. तो जो A union B union C है, इसका formula होता है A plus B plus C minus AB, or you say A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A plus A intersection B intersection C. That is the formula. यहाँ तो सीधा सीधा मिल गया 140, कुछ कैलकुलेशन फॉर्मूला नहीं लगाया, but we got this. Now this is actually called inclusion exclusion principle, which I am going to use in permutation and combination chapter. Permutation combination chapter में we use this idea which is called inclusion exclusion principle. What is this? कि पहले हमने थोड़ा इंक्लूड किया ABC, लेकिन थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा हो गया तो एक्स्ट्रा वाला कम करना था. So we reduce that extra portion to minus AB minus BC minus CA. थोड़ा ज्यादा कम हो गया तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ऐड किया ABC. Now we are done. Now what is that I am going to tell you. Again there are three cases. When I say A, I mean these 4 parts. ध्यान से देखना, every part is marked 1. तो these 4 parts we are talking when we say A. Then I say plus B. B की बात करते हैं तो then what I mean is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I say C, I mean C वाले portion मतलब 1, 2, 3 and 4. ये हमारा A plus B plus C हुआ. This is our A plus B plus C. Now we have to subtract A intersection B. A intersection B का मतलब this is A, B, C. These 2 portion. एक मैंने यहां से कम किया और एक यहां से कम किया. That is minus A intersection B. माइनस B intersection C. B और C में जो कॉमन पोर्शन है एक यहां और एक यहां कॉमन किया. माइनस C intersection A. A और C में कॉमन ये पोर्शन है, एक यहां से कम किया, एक यहां से कम किया, क्योंकि वो एक्स्ट्रा थे. When we talk about union, we do not repeat the element. We write everything once only. तो सब 1 1 हो गए, लेकिन ये तो मिसिंग है, ये तो गायब हो गया. Now we have to add this, and this is what we added: A intersection B intersection C. Now we see everything is once, and so that is the correct formula for A union B union C. So very nice way to use this. I will solve some questions and use this concept to tell you कि how simple it is to use this method. तो फॉर्मूला बहुत लेंदी होंगे, लेकिन ये वेन डायग्राम से अपना काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. So always try to understand this. ये तो फिर भी थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था. सिंपल क्वेश्चन में there are only 2. A और B होंगे, काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. A B C है, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा, but once you solve 3-4 questions, it will become very easy and you'll be able to solve any such question without using the formula. And in our competitive exam, doesn't matter कि आपने कौन सा method use किया है, और this is a nice method to use anywhere. Now we'll be solving some more questions. Okay, so अभी जो मैंने आपको method बताया वो मार्किंग करने वाला इंडिविजुअल पार्ट में, that same thing we are going to do here. The first question is A minus B union C is equal to which of these? So there are so many methods, but this is what I like. This is A, B and C. This is A, B and C. What do we need is, we need A minus B union C. तो A is this. इसमें से हमें B यूनियन C हटाना है. B यूनियन C मतलब दिस पार्ट, ये पूरा हटाना. What do we get is only this part. So that is the question, only this part. We can call it only A. Now let me draw it here, and we need only this part. Now we are going to solve all of them. We are going to draw all of them one by one and let's see what we get. ये B ऑप्शन के लिए ड्रॉ किया मैंने. This is for option C and this is for option D. Let's talk about the first one. A minus B. A minus B means A except the B, मतलब these 2 portions. Think of it. A minus B means A ये पूरा हुआ, उसमें से B का पोर्शन हटा दिया, तो only these 2 portions. Then A minus C. A minus C करेंगे तो these 2 portions. Is this E same as this? Actually no. खत्म हो गई बात. तो first option is incorrect. Think of it. वापस से स्टार्ट करो वीडियो को देखना. ये वाला क्वेश्चन you will be able to understand. B ऑप्शन की बात करते हैं. A minus B मतलब these 2 portion and A minus C will be these 2 portion. We are said in दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन, दोनों में कॉमन पोर्शन क्या है? जहां ब्लू लाइन और ब्लैक लाइन both are where only this part, मतलब we are talking about this portion, which is actually the correct answer. Common in both and means this portion because there was blue line as well as black line. This one आंसर आ चुका है, but still we are going to discuss this. A minus B is basically these 2 portions. And C की बात करेंगे तो C में आएगा 1 2 3 4. इनका यूनियन इज दिस होल पार्ट विच इज नॉट द केस विद आवर क्वेश्चन, सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. A minus B is basically these two part. Intersection C और C के साथ क्या है? Let's see. C is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the common part? इन दोनों का intersection. Black and blue का common portion is this. But this is not what we need. So finally, this is also wrong and answer is B option. एक बार वापस से देखो वीडियो, you'll be able to understand and then try to solve this. Even if you get the answer, इसकी answer first है, still you draw all these to practice more and more. That's why I have chosen this question, क्योंकि इसमें एक question के अंदर 5 cases का practice हो जाएगा. Now let's talk about this question. What we said is A minus B is this part. Union B minus A मतलब these two part. So this is what we need. This is simply, अच्छा, there is no C, only 2 portions are there. So let's not make the third one, simply this. And A minus B will be this part. B minus A will be this part. दोनों का union मतलब both the portion. So actually we need this part, which is also called A delta B बोलते थे. This is symmetric difference of A and B. Now first option के लिए A union B मतलब this part minus B, इसमें से B वाला पोर्शन हटा दो. We are left with this, which is not what we needed. So this is wrong answer. Second option की बात करते हैं. Second option में we have A मतलब these two minus A intersection B. A intersection ये होता है, हटा दिया. What we get is this, which is again not the correct answer. Third की बात करते हैं. A union B. A union B is these 3 minus A intersection B. A intersection B is basically this part. ये हटा दिया. Yes, this is what we are looking for. So this is your correct answer. Still we are going to solve the fourth one. Fourth one में what we have is A intersection B मतलब this minus A union B. इसमें से A union B वाला पार्ट हटा दो. A union B वाला पार्ट हटाएंगे, क्या मिलेगा? null set मिलेगा. Again that is not the right answer. So finally we are getting the option C is the correct answer. दूसरे तरीके से सोचेंगे, it will take a lot of time, a lot of effort, but using the Venn diagram, the question become very easy and very easy. So always try to understand this. पहले मैंने 3 वाले केसेस कराए और फिर 2 वाला केस आया. इससे आपको आइडिया लगा होगा कि 2 वाला केस बहुत आसान होता है. 3 वाला is also okay, nothing much to do. Just remember the order. If you have to fill all the data, then we start with the innermost part, then this part and this finally this one. Else अगर इस तरह से इंफॉर्मेशन है तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है ये मार्किंग का सिस्टम स्ट्रांग रखोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. मे बी यू विल नीड 2-3 कलर के पेन चाहिए होंगे, और यू कैन यूज वर्टिकल लाइन फॉर ए, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन फॉर बी, स्लैंटिंग लाइन फॉर सी, whatever you want. You can use your own system, you can use your own tricks, but ultimately you have to do marking and that will be very easy to understand. We'll solve some more. Okay, so there are these more questions. किस फॉर्म में क्या होगा, that we are going to do. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First question की बात करते हैं. Again story is A, B, C. This is A, B and C. The first one is A. A मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4. And second part is B intersection C. B intersection C का मतलब ये दोनों पोर्शन. इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन चाहिए. We need intersection of black and blue and that is this portion, which is actually equal to A intersection B intersection C. Simple. Okay. Next. Second question की बात करते हैं. A मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection B union C. B union C will be B और C का पार्ट. B union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is B union C. We need intersection of these two, मतलब intersection of black and blue. Black and blue का intersection अगर आप देखोगे तो that is this portion. This is the intersection of blue and black. That is this case. थर्ड के लिए अलग से डायग्राम बनाते हैं. Let's draw again. That is ABC. A, B and C. Now what I have is A मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B minus C. B minus C का मतलब these two portion. B में से C वाला पार्ट हटा दिया. I need इन दोनों का common part intersection. What is the intersection of blue and black? That is this part, which is actually third case. This was second case. Fourth case की बात करते हैं. Draw on your own. You'll be able to find it very easy. Fourth is A मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4 minus B union C. B union C okay. B union C is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I subtract A माइनस B यूनियन C, A में से अगर मैंने B यूनियन C सबट्रैक्ट कर दिया मतलब B यूनियन C वाला कोई भी पार्ट नहीं आएगा. तो व्हाट वी गेट? ब्लू माइनस द कॉमन पोर्शन, तो वी आर गेटिंग ओनली दिस पोर्शन which is called only A. A minus B union C is basically only A. इसमें थोड़ा गड़बड़ है शायद, I don't know. Let me say A intersection B minus C. Okay, correct. Now get to question number 5. This was question number 4. Question number 5 में we have A union B का डैश. डैश की बात करेंगे तो हमें यूनिवर्सल सेट भी बना लेते. A यूनियन B इज बेसिकली 1, 2, 3 पार्ट, उसका डैश लिखा मतलब बाहर का पार्ट, आउटसाइड द A यूनियन B. और A डैश इंटरसेक्शन B. A डैश इंटरसेक्शन B मतलब आउटसाइड A एंड इनसाइड B. A के बाहर और B के अंदर, दैट इज दिस पोर्शन. थिंक ऑफ इट. आउट एंड का मतलब बोथ शुड बी करेक्ट. A डैश मतलब आउटसाइड A, B मतलब इनसाइड B, आउटसाइड A, इनसाइड B. A के बाहर B के अंदर, ओनली दिस पार्ट इज देयर. इन दोनों का यूनियन लोगे तो यू विल गेट दिस पार्ट along with this first one. That is your fifth part. Sixth part की बात करते हैं. Sixth में again we have A minus B union B minus A union A intersection B. A minus B is basically this portion. Union B minus A is basically this portion. Union A intersection B is basically this portion. What do we get? We are getting A union B union C. That is all. A, B, C. Sorry, A union B simple, which is actually equals to A union B. Seventh की बात करते हैं और now we have again 3 वाला set. So the first one is A minus B. A minus B is these two portions. हाईलाइट करना है तो हाईलाइट कर लेते हैं. A का पार्ट but not B. यूनियन है B minus C. If I talk about B minus C, B minus C will be actually this portion. And then union C minus A. C minus A. C minus A will be actually this portion. What do we get? I am getting everything except this portion, that is U minus A intersection B intersection C, or you can say A intersection B intersection C का dash. A intersection B intersection C का dash we are getting. So this is the whole idea about the काइंड ऑफ अप्रोच आई वाज टेलिंग यू, शेडिंग कर सकते हैं, नंबरिंग कर सकते हैं, मार्किंग कर सकते हैं, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. In the next video, we are going to discuss more about the sets, and that is subsets, power set, and so on. Thank you.